Hello, welcome to Brainwaves videos. Now we are going to see a question from Data Sufficiency. In this question, it has been told that what is Sonia's present age? Given two statements. The first statement is Sonia's present age is 5 times of Deepak's present age. And the other statement is 5 years ago, the Sonia's age was 25 times of Deepak's age. Let's try to go with the statement 1 alone. In this thing, he told that Sonia's age is 5 times of Deepak's age. So statement 1 is not sufficient to answer. Maybe Deepak can be 2 years, Sonia can be at that point of time, she will be 10 years. If the Deepak's age is 3 years, Sonia will be 15. As we have no idea what is the Deepak age, so we cannot find out the age of the Sonia. So statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Now what we do is what? Let's try to go and check it out the statement 2 alone. In the statement 2, it has been told 5 years ago, the age of Sonia is 25 times the age of Deepak. Let's assume that Deepak is X at that point of time. Sonia is 25 times of Deepak. Again, here arises the same situation. We have no idea about the age of Deepak. If Deepak is 1 year, Sonia will be 25 years at that time. If Deepak is 2 years, Sonia will be 50 years old. So statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer. Now what we do is we just try to club these two statements and check whether the answer is possible or not. If it is possible, then we can say that is E is the option. If it is not possible, D is the answer. From the first statement, we can say that Sonia's age is 5 times of Deepak's present age. Let the Deepak's present age is X. At that point of time, Sonia will be 5X. Now using the second statement, we can conclude that 5 years ago, definitely Sonia will be 5X minus 5 and Deepak will be X minus 5. And we see the relationship that they are 25 times. Means Sonia is 25 times of Deepak's age. Now we can substitute these values in the given equation that Sonia's age is 5x minus 5 5 years back and Deepak's age is x minus 5. Let's try to substitute these values in the given equation. 5x minus 5 is 25 minus x minus 5. So we can clearly say that opening of bracket says this is 25x minus 125. Standing on the right hand side, standing on the left hand side, 125 minus 5, 25 minus 5x implies 20x is 120 implies x value is 6 years. We got the value of x that is 6 and Sonia is 5 into 6 that is 30 years. Yes, with the help of this we can say statement 1 and statement 2 both are necessary to answer the question. Thank you.
Think aptitude, think brainwaves.